Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to tell you about how we'll find friends when you is about people and how it easy. And the most questions, the most rule, it is ask yourself why people should to be friends with me, why I is a good friend, what I can to give other people, and maybe we can write the best quality and qualities, and think about it, just think about it. And also we can to discuss about what important for you. Thus we can understand why you don't have many friends. Maybe your to-do list about friendship, about friends, total difficult. Maybe you reconsider something about friends, and maybe we to discover new quality that important for you. Second item will take it easy. You don't must relate with it total seriously. Friendship, it is enjoy, and we can to find new friends in other place, in interesting place, because of open the social media, for example, maybe Facebook, and open the topics group, for example, free photography, and maybe them we can to find for fun people that have photo how hobby, yes, and together we'll visit museum, maybe just walk, and just to try to set communicate with it human, and also take it easy. You don't must do it, no, take it easy for fun. If you get enjoy, it is very cool. Maybe we will meet again. And next, you don't need any of portray yourself. You are a unique person, just. You have many quality, many interesting side. It is for your qualities that people love you. I will finish it video in the moment. Thank you for watching. Thank you my first subscriber, and bye bye.